What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. There is breaking news that has been posted by Nhlanhla Mabaso. Is that former EFF MP Mhlonyana Ntokozo, who was deployed in KwaZulu-Natal ahead of the elections, the general elections in May, has now joined the MK party as the head of the Secretary General's office. So she's been appointed in the Secretary General's office, and these are some of the things that are creating tension in the MK party. Is that these EFF members that are leaving the EFF and joining the MK party, they are being given all of these positions, but loyal MK members who were there from the beginning with Jacob Zuma, they are not being given some of these posts. No wonder the MK party in Mpumalanga convener Mary Padi was not happy with all of these appointments from these members that are joining the EFF. In her words, she said, these EFF people that are coming to the MK party. So this is the news that has been posted by Nhlanhla Mabaso, is that Ntokozo has joined the MK party in the Secretary General's office. So she left the EFF, I think it is today. When she left the EFF, that's when this video was recorded. And these are some of the things that Sina Tambo was talking about when she said when he said that we know these people that are going to leave the EFF, they are leaving at predetermined times. The other one leaves today, the other one leaves next week, to try and create an impression that there is a mass exodus of EFF members and going to join the MK party. But when you look at the bigger picture, it's just 12 people or 13 people who have left over a period of 12 weeks. But no surprise at all, Ntokozo, this lady that has left the EFF, she did not make any headlines at all, despite being an MP for the EFF. She just trended on Nhlanhla Mabaso's post only. No one from the EFF is even shedding a tear that they have lost a member. Some people are actually saying we knew she was going to leave anyway. So this lady was deployed at the KwaZulu-Natal province, as we said earlier, ahead of the May elections in 2014 this year. That is where the EFF made their biggest loss in that province. So are some of these members like responsible for the EFF losing so much of those votes in that province? Or maybe because they weren't so dedicated so much? It's debatable, but some people on social media are saying that is the reason why the EFF lost so many votes in that province. But losing votes in that province, it was always granted after Jacob Zuma formed his MK party. So this is the departure of the EFF MP, Mhlonyana Ntokozo. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.